Red Overtone Earth, day 5 of the wave of Red Skywalker that we are in. And the 5th day of the wave is the core purpose point of the wave. And when we look at the glyph of Skywalker, we can see that the pillars of the Temple of Heaven are attempting to land on the pillars of the Temple of Earth. And the Skywalker is the time-space traveler that travels between these pillars, attempting to ground them. So what that's speaking to is that we are the conduit, and we are bringing this reality of heaven on earth into the earth and connecting with those codes that are already within the earth. So the empowering point of this journey, of our journey to create a sacred space, is that we're activating those codes within the earth, which is what Gaia wants us to do, to activate her ascension. And we're moving, evolving together. Humanity and the planet and Gaia are inextricably connected. And when we elevate and reconnect with the divine, then we activate the divine blueprints within Gaia. So that's why Overtone Earth, empowering the radiance of the earth, is the core purpose point of this wave. So we're creating that sacred space of divine connection to activate our service to the earth. And yesterday was the warrior energy of our mission. And one of our primary missions is the creation of heaven on earth, which is to facilitate Earth's ascension to that level of reality, instead of keeping her in this low vibrational reality, because we are in that low vibrational reality. Then we connect to the divine truth of who we are and bring in the wisdom that we need, the technology within us, to stabilize what's happening on the planet, because we stabilize what's happening within us. So this red earth is speaking to grounding as well. So there's an aspect to this about how actually the divine blueprints that we're connecting to, the cosmic connection that we're seeking to make on this wave, is to bring it alive in the body, to bring it alive in this body temple that we have, and that allows it to activate in the earth itself. So there's a dual meaning. There are multiple meanings with each of the glyphs. Depending on each day, different messages come through, because it's so simple a system, and yet it's so profound. It's been 21 years that I've been working with the system, and it's revealing messages all the time because of the layered, the multidimensional capacity that it holds. And that's another aspect of today's Overtone Earth, is that we empower ourselves by connecting to nature. And we empower our connection with the divine by connecting with nature. And this calendar, which is speaking to the rhythm of nature, which is putting us back into the rhythm of the divine, is empowering us. So these things all sort of kind of dovetail together and are sort of very beautifully balanced in both directions. So as we connect to nature, we connect with the divine, and as we connect with the divine, we connect with nature. And